Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on the OUKITEL C33. So now first open the Play Store. Sorry, not the Play Store. Open the Google Photos app. And on this device we have a Google Lens, so it's very easy and quick. But not this application, as you can see. Okay, and now choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one for example. Now click on the Google Lens and whole process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same image in the Google Picture database. You can also change the shape of your area to look for something more specific. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, it was like, comment, and goodbye.